Hi, my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au. Welcome back to our video range and catalogue of videos on our automatic coffee machine range. Today I'm going to demonstrate the HZG Rex Rail S200. I'm going to make a cappuccino for you to show you how easy it is. This particular model has a touchscreen, so it's really simple. So you see all the large icons there, and which select whatever beverage you want. We're going to do the cappuccino, so you place your cup under the spout at the front, roll your spout down, and you press the icon, and away you go. It's now grinding the beans. It will now pack it like you see in your coffee shop when you see the barista tamping his coffee. It's now extracting the coffee. You'll now put the foam over the top. Absolutely sensational. There you have a world-class cappuccino that any person would be so rapt to have. Thank you for watching our videos. My name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au.